What should brands do in regards to marketing during the coronavirus pandemic? Close down your business. No, I'm just kidding. um, I think the last thing you want to do is panic. But in general, like I think it's never a good idea to go into panic mode, because what you resonate, people are going to pick up on. If you start doing desperation moves, and people are going to read that from a mile away as well. If anything, I think first thing, you want to be as available as you can be to your end consumer or your customer. You want to make sure that you're there for them. And I know a lot of people are out of the offices, but we live in a internet world. So I don't see why you shouldn't be able to keep in contact with your customers, especially since you do Facebook messaging or email marketing and all that stuff. You want to be there for your end consumer. Two, you don't want to be in panic mode, so you don't want to do, again, desperate things. I almost want to say you don't want to try to avoid cutting, so to speak, because I know, and I'm grateful for my clients. And I'm only speaking from the experience of my pool of clients, that they are still willing to spend on social media, and brands and companies. I don't think they should cut out spending on social media. I think if anything, they should keep it. The cuts should be minimal, because most people consuming content is online, not traditional. So it would make more sense to be as top of mind as possible. That means maybe producing more content. You might not have the production capability at the level of like a Netflix, but shit, a lot of production houses are closed right now. Freaking Jimmy Fallon is doing his talk show from home. So I think the same with Trevor Noah. So find a way to be in a way kind of relatable like this, to still be producing content. I'm honestly trying to figure it out along the way, and hope to God it works. And it's the client, thankfully, our clients are still with us. One of them is, actually, I'm not going to give too much info on our clients, but they're still with us because they know that, social media, because a lot of people are at home right now, that means a lot more people are actually going to be paying attention, be looking at their phone, and not being distracted while driving.